Hello everyone, I'd like to explain Wire Sentinel, the Maestro Flow use case that I have created for identifying the fraudulent wire transfers. The story here is high value wire reviews are fragmented across emails, PDFs, spreadsheets, risk rules, human approvals and banking systems. It creates a lot of delays and audit gaps. But the Maestro Flow Wire Sentinel turns all of them into one governed journey. IXP extracts the evidences and deterministic rules calculate the risk. A human retains approval authority and guarded adapter records only sandbox outcome, and data fabric preserves what happened. The result is not AI deciding whether to move money or not. It is Maestro ensuring that the right evidence, policy, and person and the system action remain connected and auditable. So here are the things that I have all connected. As I've just explained, the IXP intake will be coming from a Gmail and running AI agents on the deterministic policies. And there will be a action center component that I have built using the coded apps, the latest UiPath product. So let's see the demo. Before I run this entire workflow, I'd like to show you how our actual email looks like. So these are the two emails that you will be seeing. So one commercial wire transfer and one commercial invoice information. So let's go ahead and kick this in the debug mode. As the email gets triggered, taking the intake of the email and it captures the information, runs through whether the materialize wire attachment is enabled or not. And it will also identify the supporting attachment and it will go to the IXP adapter. And once it extracts the information using the IXP model that has been trained, then it goes to reading all the spreadsheet information where I'm saving some of the beneficiary information and history information and all that. And it is going to go through all the checks, and finally it is going to wait for my action center approval. So let's see the coded app action center component that I have built here just 2 seconds ago, and this is the nice format of the action center user interface that has been enhanced. And if you want, it can also explain you with the conversational agent running in the background. So if you want it to summarize the case, why this information has to be considered, it runs an LLM API in the background, and it also explains why the case information is coming to the action center component. Yep, you see this, all information is being populated. And this is not any API, this is the exact UiPath hosted Anthropic. And based on this, I can take the approval or rejection, and which will continue the flow. And finally send me the outcome email. So by now I should be receiving an email. So let's go ahead and check that. Yes, I have received an email. It exactly shows me the wire instructions of what are the emails that I have received and what is the IXP confidence of supporting the invoice and wire instruction information, and everything has been populated. Not only that, I have also created a nice Wire Sentinel cockpit where the business can easily analyze all the cases information and also ask the conversational agent summarizing the case, explain a recommendation, and any type of questions that it can answer. So let's try with explain recommendation now. I am also storing this information in the data fabric. So it is pulling that information from UiPath data fabric layer. So yeah, that's it for my demo. Hope you like it. This is Wire Sentinel built for Fins client to stop the wire transfers fraud.